मंत्री हैं धर्मेंद्र प्रधान, वो अधिकारियों के साथ प्रधानमंत्री को ब्रीफ भी कर रहे हैं। और निश्चित तौर पर जो सेंट्रली फंडेड इंस्टीट्यूशंस की बात की जाए, मैं आपको जानकारी देना चाहूंगा असीम, देश में जो मौजूदा IITs हैं, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट है, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस बेंगलोर की बात हो, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च की बात हो, जो ट्रिपल IITs हैं, उसके अलावा जो नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजीज है, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्निकल टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग एंड रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट्स है, और कई अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूशन जिसमें NI।
All right, the Prime Minister is meeting with the education experts along with the new education minister. The newly appointed Union Education Minister of India, Dharmendra Pradhan, will also be said to be present on this occasion as the Prime Minister is addressing the IIT directors today. And let me go across to Abhishek Kapura, Senior Executive Editor, straight swinging into action the minute the new ministers have taken oath and their portfolios have now been assigned. The government is already working on it. Tell us more about this meeting that currently is taking place.
Amita, apart from Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, who has taken charge just before this meeting, there are 3 MOS, again, Annapurna Devi, Subhash Sarkar, Dr. Subhash Sarkar and Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh. All 4 of them, the Cabinet Minister and the 3 MOS, have taken their charge today in the morning after having taken oath of office and secrecy yesterday. This is essentially about work ethics. This meeting was planned before with the education, higher education department and all these IITs concerned, their directors, about pedagogy during the pandemic period and some innovations that are being carried out by these respective institutes, particularly IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, and Indian Institute of Sciences, Bengaluru. But what is important is Prime Minister himself is involved. And remember what culminated yesterday with the oath-taking ceremony of massive cabinet rejig, essentially was capping off a long and comprehensive exercise in which Prime Minister himself gave maybe about 50 hours over 10 meetings in terms of doing an appraisal of each and every ministry and department before carrying out this exercise that we saw yesterday, with 43 new ministers taking oath and 12 seeing their exit on various grounds, including health and performance. So I think Prime Minister there today, by beginning his day early and having this meeting, which was scheduled, essentially sending across a message so far as work ethics are concerned, that every minister should get involved and hit the ground running. And that is exactly what we are seeing in the pictures that are beaming for our viewers.
Absolutely there. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi there, the newly appointed Union Education Minister of India, Dharmendra Pradhan, also present on the occasion. And this is coming right a day after when the Modi cabinet expansion that has now taking place. The government already swinging into action as far as the government works are concerned. They never stop. And the Prime Minister there currently chairing this meeting.